Be the best version of you. Make yourself proud and achieve whatever goals you have in your mind. Remember, the true beauty radiates from within, and your unique personality is your greatest asset. Okay. Body language tip. Sabi dito, stand tall, make eye contact, and smile confidently. Okay, subukan natin. Would you mind to stand here? Ang sabi, stand tall. Paano stand tall? Okay. Make eye contact. Okay. And smile confidently. Okay. Anong kulang sa kanya? Okay naman. Pag sinabing stand tall, with projection yon. Okay.
Yay!
Pretend as if ikaw yung pinakamatangkad. Pretend as if ikaw yung pinakamaganda. Stand tall. Make eye contact. Hindi yan napakaluwag. So, ganito. Side to side, centered, and focus to the judges. Sa crowd at sa judges, kailangan nakangiti ka na rin all throughout. Plastikan ng isa. Kasi what's your... Yung takeaway, candidate number 1!
Palakpak!
Ayan. So have you learned something? Yes.
Because here I am speaking and I'm happy.
Okay, very good. Yung mga gusto kong sagot, question and answer tayo. Good evening, candidate number 3. How do you feel tonight?
I feel that
Tandaan, sa communication skills, sa contest natin, you are not obliged to speak in English. But you are entitled to speak in a language you are comfortable with. Kung anong lengguwahe ka, mas komportable magsalita in front of the judges and the audiences, then you have to use that. Okay. Kunwari, good evening, candidate number 3. How do you feel tonight?
evening for
Pitong!
Okay. I have heard that your advocacy has something to do with environment. Would you mind to tell us more about your advocacy?
my advocacy is all about the environmental protection, which can help our community to be more sustainable and healthy living for the future generation here in Barangay.
Oh, that's a great advocacy. Thank you so much. Anong napansin nyo? Ang dami niyang connect with the judges and audiences. Keep on smiling, eye contact, and keep on smiling. At kahit magsasalita ka, you get classy pa rin, class. Hawakan ang microphone with confidence. Well, I believe yung connections mo pa rin, yung mata mo nangungusap pa rin sa judges, hindi encourage mo sila. Pwede mo ba ulitin yung sagot mo by convincing us to believe na yun ay impactful na advocacy? Would you mind to tell us more about your advocacy, candidate number 3?
My advocacy is all about the environmental protection, which can help the Barangay Sevilla more sustainable and healthy living for the future generation of Barangay Sevilla. Thank you.
Ano pang kailangan i-improve sa kanya? Masyadong mabilis. Kasi nakakamata na ni kabalo niya ako kapitan. Kailangan magkaroon ng pose, tapos dapat may impactful, may rise and fall ng kanyang boses, diba? Dapat may mga bagay na dapat binibigyan ng diin. Okay, ulit.
My advocacy is environmental protection, which can help the Barangay Sevilla more sustainable and healthy living for the future generation of Barangay Sevilla. Thank you.
Ayan, nawawala lang siya. Nagdi-diminish ang kanyang boses. Ang pagsagot, sabi ko sa inyo, no, halimbawa, well, protection because we believe that our environment plays a vital role in our society. Thus, diba, may pros, may rise and fall. Therefore, let us through our concerted effort to make Barangay Sevilla a better place to live in. Mag-impact. Hindi, wala ba ladies and gentlemen? Wala ba ladies and gentlemen? bis ko mga apa kay Jay, kapunta ako pa, di ka nga naman, excited. Hindi ko na internet isa. Tapos di ka nagsismile. Wala, hindi mo na perfect. Kahit nasa one, leave a lasting impression all the time. 21-year-old Stan by the name of Ace Alvin Bacoy, representing Purong Tres. Then exceed. Speak clearly, listen attentively. In barangays, because I believe that education is the best investment that no one and nobody can grab it from you. And I thank you!
Wow!
Ano lang, express your PPS pageant. Hindi ibigyan nyo dapat sa YouTube. Hindi contest. Tato di masuloy, walking, smiling, and projections, pose, range, and as well as how to answer question and answer portion. Okay, next, join Toastmasters or similar group from here. I come to Boracay, sir. Diba pretend you were the President of the Republic of the Philippines? Diba, you own a stage. Diba lang yung makadilaba po yun? Hindi ka ma, tader ka. Diba, you actualize, you visualize, you internalize. Diba, and continuous learning. Anong ginagawa mong preparations sa ngayon? Ginagawa mong preparation bago bukas?
Pray and pray.
Fire drill. Earthquake drill niya ka. Basta very good. How about you?
Pray.
Praying. Praying can help. How about you, my dear? Anong ginagawa mong preparation? Bukas ang pageant. Self-practice ng paglakan. Ikaw naman, Iha.
Boosting my self-confidence po and also yung language.
Paano yung pag-boost ng confidence? Anong preparation sa ginagawa?
Hangarap po ako sa sarili kasi po magpapatuto ko lang for some preparation po sa sarili. And express ko po yung facial expression po sa sarili.
Very good. I think that's one way of internalizing and improving yourself. Ayusin nyo.
Sanay.
Di ba di Pilipinas sa interview natin kuya buda ka nakakasula di pupunta niya. Well, kukunada na dyan. I believe kukunada dyan, di ba? Pati na si pupunta na yun. Di ba kukunada dyan? I believe kami kukunada. Ate, hindi ko ang tawag dyan na natakot talaga. Strike. Pag-walk.
Wow! Wow!
Okay. Ganun na gawin mo. Jay.
Oh!
Di ba? Ganda mo anak. Maganda na yung ngiti mo. Yun ang lakad mo. Tapos yung kamay mo, hindi ka nasusulit kahit wala kang nasusulit. Okay, do it. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, challenge number 1. Yan. Slide pa, pose. Correct. Then, alam ko naman chinelas ka kasi. Okay, you may take your seat. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, challenge number 10. Speech muna kayo.
Game!
Do not forget to smile. Then turn. Okay? Meet at the center. Come on, meet at the center. Okay? Then make a small circle. Make a small circle. Pass the circle. Magandang ang dilag. Okay. Pakistop mo yung music, kuya. Dito ka extend kita. gusto niyang isuot. What makes her beautiful? What makes her okay? What makes her comfortable and confident? So, pagkakatabi ng paa. Ganito. Inhale. Kasaan pa talaga?
Grabe.
Inhale na nila ulo yung mga pati sa kanya. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Ano ginagawa natin? We are having our lung expansion. And one way, of course, to regenerate the veins going to our heart. For us to avoid heart attack. Okay, very good. At least alam niyo naman para you can take your seat. Okay, so, in the... Mabuhay! Sibilia 2024! Aking beshi, Ace Pakoy. Ayan. Pumalakpak, tinatanggal ang kanya aking tarpaulin sa nakaraan na mental health awareness seminar dito sa Barangay Sibilia kung saan siya ay SK official. Diba? Pakoy is in the house. Pa!